Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to delete Binance account. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can click on your Binance app right here. Then from in there, you can see this little icon right here in the upper left corner. So click on that icon and then it will redirect you to this page wherein you can see in here the recommended as well as your actual profile. So click on your profile right here. You can see this arrow. So click on that. Then from in there, you should be able to see all of these options right here. So just click on the security right here. And on the security, you just need to scroll down until you can see this manage account option. So click on manage account. Then in here, you can see disable account or delete account. Since you want to delete it, just click on the second option right here. And then this will ask for a deletion reason. So for example, I will just no longer want to use this account. Then click on continue. Then after that, it will show you the terms and conditions again. Click on accept and continue. And in here, you can see the summarization of all the assets that you have right now. So if you have those, just make sure to transfer them to another account or sell them. So once you see that your actual NFT and assets is 0, just head over and click on this checkbox right here. Then click on this delete account right here. So once you have done that, as you can see, it will first ask for security verification in order to delete your account. So let's head over to my Gmail right here. And let's head over to my actual Gmail in order to see the verification code that they sent. So I have this 898135. I just need to put this right here. Then it will actually load, and as you can see, the account has been deleted. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment down below and I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.